Hey y'all, it's Russell. Good morning. It's a new day. It's a good day. Today is the will it start day on the diesel pusher. I bought the cheapest Cummins 5.9 diesel RV I could find. Check it out. Here she is. It's early. It's before breakfast. We got the batteries for the fresh charge. We got tools, more tools. We've got a 4-ton jack. I did manage to find some bolts for the U-joint strap kit, so we'll bring that too. I don't know, just things we might need, and we'll see what happens. All right, come on. All right, we're back. We're here. It's time to make a game plan. I think first we need to get the air cleaner canister back on the engine to keep the animals out. I think we need to put the batteries into the camper, probably check the fluids, check the oil in the generator and in the engine. I think we should try and get the generator started first. That way, if it's really hot, we can turn on the AC. All right, let's get after it. Fortunately, I found the air canister and it's set in the side right here. So I think we move on to the next thing, batteries. What we got going on here? This is the positive for the 12-volt system for the RV. This is the negative for the 12-volt system for the RV. This is the negative for the chassis or the truck, the engine battery, and this is the positive. So I think we have some sort of a, it's like disconnect solenoid here. We need to figure that out. Let's see if she'll start. Ooh, that's promising. Oh yeah. All right, we should go up in the cabin, see if it starts from the cabin, see if the truck starts. Ooh, hey, that's promising. Let's start with the generator. Well, the controls work, that's helpful. All right, here we go. Actually, let's turn the generator off. So that's 60,000 miles. Let's find out what's going on back here. Let's see if the fuel shut off is stuck. I think we got lights. Let's turn some lights on. All right, we're gonna crank open this line. All right, spin it. Stop. All right, we got no fuel. So now we gotta find out where the breakdown is. All right, we'll keep looking. This is an electromechanical device. When this lever goes up, fuel is on. When this lever is down, fuel is off. This spring pushes it back to the off position. Didn't come up, so I guess maybe we got a bad unit. Check this out. This thing is weak, so it's plugged in, the ignition's on in the truck, but if I pull this up, it stays up. All right, well, that's gonna have to do it for today. We're out of time. I've got to get back to Virginia. Update on the bus here, or the camper. Maybe we should call it the struggle bus, because that's kind of where I'm at right now. It turns over slowly, so I pulled the starter. We're gonna have it bench tested to see if it's good or bad. And I pulled the fuel shutoff solenoid, so we are not defeated. We're just gonna continue to fight. Morning, y'all. It's a new day. It's early. It's probably not as early as it should be. I'm flying solo today. Just a load of tools behind me. All right, interesting turn of events. Just got out of the starter expert's shop. He tested hard as he could. He said this starter is just fine. At least I don't have to spend 300 bucks on a starter. This is the company that pulled in our RV from Copart to the house, and this behemoth right here is what he was using. Big fat rotator. How awesome is that? Okay, we need a game plan. Hopefully this is our fuel shutoff valve. Cheapest one I can find on Amazon. Comes with the brackets. This guy, this shutoff solenoid, looks pretty good. It's nice and heavy. Perfect. We're gonna need this guy. This is a remote trigger switch for the starter, and you don't have to run the 36 feet to the front of the coach to spin the motor over. Super handy. This guy. My expert said it was good, even though O'Reilly's and Advance Auto both said it was bad. I'm trusting the expert. First thing we're gonna do is put in the fuel shutoff solenoid. Second thing we're gonna do is put in the starter. Once the starter is in, we will start a diagnostic process to figure out where the shortcoming is. I think it's a bad cable now. We're gonna find it. Let's get after it. Oh yeah, we're winning. And we're not winning anymore. Ah! Don't really want to do this, but I guess I'm cutting them. All right, let me go get the original. See if I got it in the truck. Back in it goes. There we go. All right, let's see how she does. Let's turn the key off. You know what? I'm an idiot. The ground cable's off because the starter's off. So we'll have to test this after we get the starter on. So this is the ground strap that goes from the engine where it grounds at the starter all the way to the frame. I'm not so worried about the inside piece. Well, it doesn't look great, but these terminals, they look thrashed. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this with the wire brush on the drill, and then I'm gonna add a smaller cable. It really should be at like a 0 gauge, but we'll see what we can do. Much better. I've got the starter bolted up. I've got all the 3 bolts into the starter. I've got an extra ground going from here to the frame. I've got, this is the battery positive. This is the trigger from the starter. I mean, this is trigger from ignition. Now, what I don't like is the fact that this ground strap can hit this 12 volt positive. So I think what I'm gonna do is throw a quick zip tie on this. All right, now that's out of the way, handled. Let's go put the battery terminal on, see if our shutoff valve works, our fuel shut off, and see how it cranks. Sounds like she's cranking over faster. All right, I think the battery's done. So I've done the unthinkable. I hooked the 2 deep cycle golf cart batteries to the engine, and then we got the generator running, and let's see what happens. Now we're winning. Took the parking brake off. I could hear this rotating. So now, haha, she's free. Oh, we're winning. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what's up right there. Yeah, come back with a torque wrench. Check these later. So right now I just want to see if this thing will move. I think we're just going to play it safe. Throw a couple cinder blocks on either side of the wheels. case it gets away from me. That horn sounds sick. All right, we got power steering. Oh, we got brakes. Oh yeah, we got drive. Let's see if we got reverse. Oh yeah, we're winning. Got park brake? Oh yeah, we got brakes. We got forward and reverse. Let's move some stuff out of the way, see what we got. All right, so I got all the stuff out of the way. Got the generator running and the 2 coach AC units on because for some reason, got no ACage out of the dash. I guess I'm hoping it's a fuse, but I'll have to find the fuse panel. I don't have a clue where it is. All right, let's see. All right, brakes off. Check this out, by the way. She's got an Allison transmission with the push button style automatic, just like a bus. Kind of cool. I'd say she moves pretty good. Does it stop? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing's mint. Yeah, we're scratching trees, that's okay. Hey, check it out. We got an AC fan. Oh, there's dirt in it. The heat works. The heat works really well. AC's not blowing cold. Probably need some Freon. Man, I really overthought how to check the fuses on this. I crawled up under the dash and looked for the fuse box and finally found it and wondered how you had to get it. Check this out. Whoop! There she is. Man, Ford parts. How random is that? What a day, guys. Overall, I'm extremely pleased. We got it started. We got it to move. We need to check for leaks. We got the heater motor to blow hot. Now we need it to blow cold. So we're knocking things down. We're winning. We'll see you on the next one.